Struggling to find winning products for Amazon? In this video, I'll show you how Helium 10 makes product research easy. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So here's Helium 10 right here. There is a link in the description for a free trial and a discount. But pretty much when you log in, they have this tool called Black Box, and it's one of the easiest product research tools I've ever seen for Amazon sellers. It gets your creativity juices flowing, right? And what you can do is just do Amazon.com. You could, hey, if you want to launch in France, they'll even do France, right? Japan, all these different ones, but you can select the category. So I do like, let's say, sports. I love sports. So I can go exercise and hunting and fishing. I want to sell hunting and fishing products. And I want to find a product that needs some improvement. There's medium competition. And I want to sell products that are like around $30 and up, so that way the profit margin's higher. And I want to see competitors that are making at least $1,000 to $10,000 a month. And of course, I could make this more, I could do 10,000 or I could change all of these, but I just click search. And what it's going to do is it's going to show me a list of these exact metrics. It's going to go through Amazon for me and go through this and show me. Let's see. Look at this. Okay, let's go. I'm going to see the highest revenue. I'm going to filter this, and we're going to see some different items. Okay, so we've got spinning reel. So look also. Oh, I never thought skeet targets. So have we thought about selling skeet targets? Wow, this one has really bad reviews and people are still buying it. This is the type of products we want to buy. It's not even Amazon FBA. And I just found this within seconds, and they're making, again, $8,000 a month. Bad reviews, so the product's crap. Selling it for 90 bucks. People are still buying. So and their product, they're come on. This is terrible. So it just shows you that you could pretty much potentially dominate this category. I can't believe we already found one so quick. Spring Shot Bullet. Okay, this one's making $8,000 a month. I don't even know what this is. Let's see. Oh, what is it? Test your precision? Look how specific. Again, bad reviews. 200 bought in the past month. Ballistic precision slingshot bullet bow. Terrible. Doesn't even explain what the hell it is, but people are buying it. They are Amazon FBA. They've got some photos, so I'm assuming it tracks the speed. I'm assuming. And they have a video, okay? But overall, again, another category. They don't even have A+ content. They don't have brand story. So again, there's something wrong with the directions or the product, because people are like, this is amazing, and then they say this is crap. So it doesn't work. It does work. So what does it? So again, I think it could be a user error, an instruction error, because we see that the manufacturer is, I believe they're from China. Does it say? No, they're from the US. They just didn't put a lot of effort into this. So again, another category you could dominate. That's crazy. We found two already within seconds. So again, there's not many tools that are this darn easy to use to find products, right? And then we could look up keywords. You can look by competitor, niche, product targeting. But I mean, it doesn't get much easier than this to find niche products on Amazon. But I'm just going to stop the video there. You already see the power of the tool and how fast that worked. But that's it for today's video. What product research challenges do you face on Amazon? Let me know in the comments, and we'll see if we can solve them together. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is what will fully manage your Amazon account, help you launch new products, do the design, the copywriter, title, SEO. We'll call Amazon for you, make sure you're launched, do your advertising, and overall make sure your sales are going up and not down on Amazon. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business in the daily operations, utilizing big tools like this. We'll do it all for you to make sure you save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.